We have to create one more file, user.js, user.html. User.html file, we can take the copy of technology, tech, we can take the copy of tech, okay, copy of technology. Next, what we need to do is section, we have product, and then tech, we have given the class name. We will modify little. First, we change the ID as active. Active ID from li we can cut. Then apply to last li. Okay, cut and apply to last li. Then the user link will become active. Technology, the icon we have written in h1. We can write FAFA users. FAFA users. User icon will come. We can change the heading, call users. Next, after that, we can see how it look. Users icon is coming, plus this in one line there is a two boxes. We have to change something. We have written here I class. So it will not be as a I class now. I tag we have to replace with the img tag. and class equal to fa pull left we can leave, and in that we can write a src one.jpg, and then this state class we can replace with the user class. Name we can change here, Rajesh. Text we can reduce, because in one line we need to bring 3 users after this paragraph. Next paragraph will be email, or we can write here I class equal to fa hyphen envelope test1 email.com. Okay, next paragraph, email ID, written mobile number, headset, or maybe phone icon you can write here. This details become for a user. Below tech we have, we can delete. And first we'll try to see for one user how that look. We have to write the CSS for this image also. You can apply a class here, user pick. Just complete this division to division. Even we can write one below, one paragraph for social media icon. Add like this, FAB, FA hyphen, Facebook. LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, this much for one user. Now this will get repeated many times. Okay, hope ready. If you run this file, it will look little here there. It's coming such a big size. Contents are coming, but organized it is not properly. It is not organized properly. We will write the CSS for user pick, for user. For these two classes, if you write the CSS, it will get arranged automatically. We will apply the margin padding, then it will organize automatically. Now come to the CSS file. So hope HTML is ready. We will copy paste many times, but first one section should be ready. So go to the CSS file. In one line, we can keep 3 users. So we have to write the class as a user. Class as a user. Margin 2%. Padding also 2%. So if you give the margin 2% and padding 2%, this user class will consume total 8%. Margin 2% left and 2% right, and padding also 2% left and right, even top bottom also. So, and we are going to make total 3 blocks. So 100% divided by 3, 33.33% will come. 33 point, you can calculate like this, total width 100% divided by 3, 100 divided by 3, 33.33 minus 8, 25.33% will be the width. 25.33% will be the width. And we are displaying a photo also here. User pic. User pic also should be added here. Dot user pic. Roughly you can keep some 100, 20 pixel as a height, 120 pixel with 100 pixel. And the photo will come round shape photo. It will come as a square photo. We can write here border hyphen radius 5 pixel. Okay. Next, after that, we can check it. It's look like this, but the width should be little more. Photo width. Or 100 by 100 we can try. This is something like this. For entire division, we can give a box shadow. The user class we have box. So we can apply 0px, 0px, 5px, blue color. So surrounding the division, the shadow will get applied of 5 pixel. Okay. The user got some shadow like this. Phone icon is not coming here. Mobile phone icon. We need to work on that. The radius shadow we have given. Border radius 5px. Okay, hope ready. Let's check something like this. Little radius got apply. Now we can change this icon. Phone icon is not coming. We have to do some changes there. Even when the mouse will come to the user, this way we can add dot user class colon over the box shadow should change to orange color and cursor should be pointer. Okay, ready? Check now. What's happening here? The small CSS will apply one more transition. So it will happen slowly. Is happening immediately. It should take some 1 second time at least. So in a user class, you can add the transition property. Transition property for box shadow should take 1 second. Box shadow should change, but it should take 1 second time. Okay, hope ready. Let's come and check once. It will take 1 second time to change. It will not happen immediately. 1 second time it will take to change. Now this user what we have created, we will copy and paste total 5-6 times, and we can change the photo, we can change the name and some other input. So come to the HTML now. This phone is not coming. We can change to headset or mobile is there. Icon should come like mobile or phone anything. Okay, mobile is exist. So you can use this mobile class. Okay, open. Now this user to user we can copy and paste 3-4 times. User and here we can copy the div to div, paste after this. And we have to change that 2.jpg name. You can change something. Alex test2 some number. It will display 2.jpg. See, to user is coming. Add one more user. .jpg. Okay, ready. Save that. Check 3 user is coming. If keep one more user, that will come in the new line. Because all the space is occupied, user number 4 will go to the new line. Or the space is not exist. It came here automatically. So this become your user page, technology page. Don't display flags. Display flags and flags wrap. Okay, hope looking similar. Yes, no. we can create the next file. Yeah, next after that, go ahead in contact file for this product for button. For button, we have not added any CSS. We can add that CSS under the style.css file. In last. You can add like button for button margin 15 pixel from all the side. Background color, white color, font weight, bold, next after that padding from top 10 pixel, left right 25 pixel, bottom also 10 pixel, border none, border hyphen radius 2 pixel, and cursor pointer. Then when the mouse will go to the button, button colon hover. Mouse will go to the button colon hover. Background you can change to black color. And if you click on button, you see the hover. If you click on button, that is called button colon focus. Button colon focus. Then background should be green color. And it should have border hyphen radius 50%. Okay, hope ready. Come to the browser, check once in contact page. Oh, huge gap happen. Margin 150 I have written. It should be 15 only. Margin 15 px. It will be proper gap. By default blue, mouse will go black. Click on that green. Okay, home button is ready. Then next after that, so this all 4-5 pages are ready. 4-5 pages are ready. under the external CSS. Next, we have to see some example of media query and some example of import CSS. Import CSS, how that look, and using import or external any method, how to apply the media query, how to make page responsive page. Page we have designed now, it's okay, but responsive is not ready. It should be responsive. In different device, the look should be different. The content should get rearranged according to different device. Okay, so go ahead next. Under the extra import CSS folder, next you can create the file under the import CSS. So import we have not created folder. Okay, here only we can create a new file and we can keep as a import. Media query will add there and we'll check how the responsiveness is going to happen. Next file you create. Import dot HTML, one file and one more file, import.css. Import.html, import.css. Under import.css, we can use a body tag, color for that, sky blue. We can write one h1, color is red, font size px, text align, send. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the HTML file. In import.html, next come to the HTML file. HTML we can open close. Head tag will be required. Body is needed as usual. H1. Welcome back. Now let's go ahead next to the head section. Instead of using the link tag, you have to use a other tag. Style open close @import space URL. We have to give that a style.css file that is called import.css. @import space URL import.css. So if we follow the link method, both are external CSS only. You can see here user file. In user file, how we are calling? We are calling through the link method, through the link tag. Link rel equal to style set href style.css. The import CSS is also same. You are going to call external CSS file only, but the syntax is different to call it. We use the import keyword, and using the import keyword, we call that CSS file inside the page. Now if I run this file, import.html, CSS should work for this. This is coming for, but body background is not coming. Here will be problem. Oh, for background color we are given. It should be background :sky blue. Right. So in the CSS file, In body tag you can write background is sky blue, background colon sky blue. Let us check now. Background is also coming as sky blue, and here we have written the for body tag is a background sky blue, background is sky blue, and for h1 tag we have written something. Now whichever the property we applied for h1 and body, it is coming in the browser. How you are linking? If you follow the external CSS method, link method, you have to follow like this. This way we have to call this way. That's for link rel styles it href equal to here import.css. This is called link method, and this is called a import method. The file is same, CSS file only. The way of calling is different. One place is happening through the link tag, another place is happening through the import. Remaining same ID class we can write and we can call. So between external and import, this one difference we have. Next, this page should become responsive according to device. If the device is small, the content should appear according to a small device. If device is a large device, content should appear according to large device. So we need to add that. So we'll go to the CSS file and we'll apply the CSS for 2-3 type of device, for 2-3 sizes of device, and then we'll come back. So come to the import.css file. Hope your page is loading. Write here a media query. Media query we have to write. It's like this, @media, or you can write first a comment. Media query used to find user computer window width. Window width meaning is screen size of the user computer, the media query CSS we have, it will be helpful to find out, or it will be able to find the width of user computer screen. Suppose a person has opened your website, CSS will come to know what is the height, not what is the height, what is the width of the screen. Window, you can say normally, what is the width of the window. Now, if you are able to find out the window width, according to that, we can manipulate the CSS, we can modify the CSS. So let's come down and how to add the media query to find out the window size, screen size of user computer. We have to start at the rate media screen, and we need to specify the range, the minimum width and maximum width. We'll add here mean hyphen width, suppose 100 pixel, and max hyphen width 600 pixel. So this block will execute if only and only the screen size is between 100 pixel to 600 pixel. Width, not the height. Height can be anything. It is going to work only on width part. If the screen width is between 100 to 600 pixel width, then what should happen? We have to write here. Let's check whether it's applying or not. Background should be pink color. Pink color. You can add the same section. If screen size is between 601 to 800, the background should be green color. Just we are checking whether it is getting applied or not. So written, they will go to the browser, they will change the window width, and we will understand whether it is changing the background color or not. Okay, hope ready. Come to browser, make very small screen. You will find it should happen like this. Very small, complete. Pink will come because we have written here. 1 pixel to 100 pixel, background is a pink color. 601 to 800, background green color. Okay, converted to the green color. More than 800, we'll go to the default as a sky blue. We can add one more section. 801 to 1000 pixel. 801 to 1000 pixel. 801 to 1000 pixel. Background keep as a blue color. Save now. See, up to 1000 pixel, it will be in the blue color. After that will become a sky blue. So for different device, it's able to track. For different device, it is able to track now. Next, after that, we have to design the menu. and according to device, it should get rearranged. We need to design the blocks here, and according to device, it should get rearranged. So come to the HTML part. Welcome back. We can replace by CSS media query. Now come after that, write a division or maybe section. ID equal to container. Inside that, write the div. Class equal to service. Multiple blocks can add. Okay, come to the CSS file. Import.css 2 times, no need to call. And call only 1 time. In the service page, for container, we have to write a CSS in default case. As container display flex Let's wrap. Then we have a class. Here we can give width 80%, margin auto. It will appear in the middle. Dot service. Okay. Where are you now? Dodana Kundi, okay. So which is the location you have? Address, delivery address? Hmm. Outer Ring Road, Marathali, okay. And any building address, anything, any name? Okay, correct. Fine. So I will be coming there in somewhere 5 minutes. It will take for me to reach. Okay, it's the exact Kalamandir. Okay. Marathali Kalamandir, you have idea, no? Kalamandir. Yes. Yes, come exact Kalamandir. I will come in 5 minutes. Nearly 5 minutes. Okay, so you are coming in how long? How long will it take for you? No problem. Please come. I will be there. Okay, so hope written. We will work on this again tomorrow. We'll log in same time. What a courier is coming, I need to go to receive that. Okay, so we'll log out.